Okay, so we have been working on introducing a marker word. Yes, yes, marks the moment they did the correct behavior, and it guarantees a reinforcer. We've also been working on getting down off of the lure and onto a verbal. Down. Yes. And we've introduced stay with some distance. Stay. Yes. Stay. Notice I'm not calling him out of the stay at all. Stay. I don't want him to anticipate running out of the stay. I want him to anticipate me returning. Stay. Dogs learn lots of things through anticipation. You get your car keys, they anticipate a car ride. Stay. You get the leash, they anticipate a walk. I don't want them to think that me leaving them in a stay is going to make them anticipate breaking that stay. Yes. So if he breaks, I just bring him back to exactly where he is. He's just learning. Down. Always say the verbal first. My hint is my hand signal. Yes. Stay. So, 2 breaks in a row means I'm making it too hard. Down. And I need to set them up for success. Stay. So instead of going all the way outside and closing the door, I'm just going to crack the door. Make sure he can be successful with that a few times. And this is like our 4th little training session. Stay. Now I can actually let the door close behind me because I gradually stay, rebuild that distraction. When I want him to get up, I'm going to say, okay. And that means we're all done. The other thing we've been working on is changing positions. Come. Yep. Yes. So in dog training, there are 4 positions. There is come, which is toe to toe in front of you. There is heel. Yes. There is side. Yes. And there is center. We are only going to teach the first 2, which is come and heel. And come is going to mean come and sit in front of me. And heel means come sit by my left side. So right now, I'm not adding the verbal for heel. I'm just teaching him the muscle memory of it. Come. Yes.